Miss Bass to the rescue. I saw that some of you were having difficulties with the numbers. So I am going to pronounce the numbers for you so you can listen to them and then use them in your recordings. Okay, let's start with this first column in yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The second column in blue sounds like this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. The third column in pink sounds like this. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. The next column sounds like this. And I know it's very difficult to say 30, 30. It sounds very particular for the Spanish language. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. When you get to this number, all the numbers are going to be like this one. For example, after 40, you're going to say 41, 42, 43, and then you get to 50. Same thing, 51, 52, 53, 54, until you get to 60, then 70, then 80, then 90, and then 100. Okay? So that is basically how you pronounce the numbers from 1 to 100. I'll see you in the next video.